Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to create a handwritten text effect for free in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this, let's say this is my clip that I want to add the text on. What you want to do is go over to Fusion, just click Media 1, then click on the text symbol, like this. Then you go to text and just create your normal text. Let's say I want to name it Island. Then you choose a font that is very good for handwriting, that just looks good for handwriting. Let's say I'm going with this one. Of course, you can adjust the size to whatever you like. And then go back to text, click on text, then on effects, and then just go for the mask paint. Just double click it so that it connects with the text. Then what you want to do is choose this brush, the stroke. Then go over to mask and hit invert so you see your text. Once we've done this, we go over to controls and open the brush controls tab. And here you can see, if you hover over your text or over your image, you can see this little green circle with your cursor, and it should be bigger than your biggest text. You can see, for example, here for the N it doesn't work, so I'm increasing the size just like this. Perfect, maybe a bit less. And with the softness you can literally just not all the way down, but let's say 1.06. And what's very important, go to stroke controls and then select stroke animation all frames, go to write on. Just click it, and then you just start following the outline of the letters without ever stopping to press down on your touchpad on your mouse. Okay, as you can see, it's not perfect, but let's see if the result is still okay. And then if you just let the video play, here you can see it removes the text, but we want it the other way. So we go to mask and just hit the invert button again, like this. Then, as you can see, if I let it play, let's put it all the way to the end, the whole text isn't here by the end of the video. So what you want to do is go over to keyframes and here open mask paint 1 and open stroke 1. And here the white little keyframes are your text. You want to just decrease the size with just holding this and dragging it to the left, and then selecting all these little white keyframes by just hovering over them. And if it worked, then they should turn yellow. Then just right click them, go to time stretching, and then you can just adjust them all the way to the left until it's perfect with the other layers. And then you can just let your video play. And if that's too slow for you, for example, I think it's too slow, the effect, so you can just make it a bit quicker like this. Then let's see. Okay, that looks quite good. I think you can still do it better than me. Okay, that was a little hack on how to create a handwritten text effect for free in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.